Hi, baby. Hi, love. I miss you. Good morning, Wisconsin. How's it going? On a serious note, good morning, guys. I'm still in Wisconsin. We are going to go to a race tomorrow. But today, Rob Dahm's supposed to show up. So if you guys are Rob Dahm fans, I'd love to show you guys him on this channel. And then we're gonna explore a little bit and probably have some dinner. Quick little recap, if you guys didn't watch yesterday's vlog, I actually explored this resort. Super pretty. I'm so humbled that I get to be here. It's crazy, it's so pretty here. Yesterday's pizza really sucked. So this morning I've got a burger and hopefully it's better. It's supposed to be Wisconsin's kind of one of their burgers. While I enjoy my burger, one of the shows that I'm currently watching right now is The Fighting Season on Netflix. It is so good. If you guys like military docuseries, it's so good. Check it out. Are you guys ready to hit the gym? I already got a lot of work done. Time to go. Ready? Bam! Gym time. You guys ready? Quick gym session before everyone else gets here. Get back to work. Now, I'm not a huge gym buff, but then I do like to stay active so I don't freaking die, you know, because of my work schedule, my eating habits. So I like to work out because it's like a really nice way to drain energy. And it gives me time to just kind of decompress from everything else I'm doing. I'm not gonna do legs this weekend. I do legs every other day now, but I'm not gonna do it this weekend because I'm doing a lot of walking. So I don't want to kill myself because I made that mistake one time when I was with NASCAR. So in this case, I'm gonna do a bunch of back and biceps today. If time allows, tomorrow I'll do some chest and tris. But in the meantime, let's warm up with some lighter weight. So there's not an area for me to mount my camera up, but I'll show you guys what I'm doing just a little bit. I'm gonna start off with a bit of curls. So I'm just gonna curl, do 12, 10, 10, 8 for my sets. And I'll switch over. I'm gonna do hammers, 12, 10, 10, 8s. And I'm gonna try to do it with not too many rest breaks in between. If I can do that, it'll power through like a 30, 40 minute workout really quick. I'll just kill off my arms and then I'll run the rack from the heaviest I can go for as much as I can do. And then I'll just go all the way down until I'm dead to the end of the rack. Then I'll switch over to back. So while I hammer this out, I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. Another tip for working out is don't ask me. I'm not a professional. I just enjoy working out. So you guys just look up a trainer, find a friend that really knows what he's doing. Don't look at other guys at the gym because it's not always right. But now I'm gonna move on to some bent over rows for some back. And then there's not a bunch. I can do some deadlifts with those. Just kind of depends. So I'll do a little bit of this and I'll be right back. My friends talk about on my DMs and my snaps. He's like, stop filming weights. You ain't lifting them, Miguel. I respond, I'm currently eating pizza. Come on, bro. I can be healthy sometimes. All right, guys, I'm finished working out, but I wanted to talk about these headphones really quick. These are the BeatsX right here. They were rated for 8 hours of usage, and it lasted about 8 hours, 7 hours really. So if you guys are traveling, these probably aren't the headphones to use for everything. I used them when I was editing for the first like an hour or two, and then the second time was I used them right afterwards. I didn't like them. They sounded really good. They blocked out all the noise from the plane, but the only thing was they didn't last very long. So by the time I got back to the hotel, they ran out of battery. So you guys should carry an extra headpiece just in case. Okay, I'm done with the gym here. I'm gonna get out of here. Listen to how quiet it is down here. I'm taking the inner way back. I wanted to go outside for a walk if you guys don't mind joining me. But I need to grab my sunglasses. It's just way too bright outside. But super pretty. We have a few hours before I had to dinner with the entire Pennzoil team. So let's go explore just a little bit where we didn't go yesterday in the vlog. But I gotta get some water in me too. Man, I really wish you guys could kind of feel this area, just super quiet. Oh, look at this, hold on. Oh, it's a cooking place. Wow. That's cool. But yeah, get the feeling of how peaceful it is here. Let me just show you the outside really quick. Look, isn't that cute? You know, walking downstairs means a lot. I couldn't walk down or even upstairs for a bit because of my knee injury from my left knee. So this right here, I love it. Okay, we are outside Man, this place is beautiful. Yesterday when we got here, it was a lot quieter because it was evening time, so there's probably a lot more people out on the water, probably on the beach. Oh, you can see boats out there on the lake. We were here yesterday. Oh man. And then we went over to this really cool little dock here yesterday too. We went over here yesterday. You guys can see there's a lot more people on the water today. Look at this. Looking great. See people going out. A lot more boats. People on the beach over there. That's a private dock. Looks like for residents. And then all the way on that side is a private little beach for residents too. Let's see if we can get that way a little bit with a walk. I texted Rob Dahm earlier, asking him what time his flight was, but apparently his flight got delayed, so he's not here yet. We were gonna explore this area together. So he'll be here in about 2 hours or so. Maybe we can explore later. Look, I found a spot where you can rent paddle boards, and it looks like kayak. Cool little bonfire spot. Little kayak spot. It's cool. Let's go see what's up this road. Hope it's not a private road. Hope you guys don't mind these travel vlogs. I just didn't get to travel a lot as a kid, so this is like a really crazy experience to me. And I really appreciate the fact that I get to do this, and I want to share it with you guys. This looks like all private roads or a private home. So down this road looks like the road that we came up. And we came up this way with our hotel. Ooh, what's up, lady? Nice car. Nice little Jeep there you got there. I decided to take a quick break. It is hot. Very different weather from when we arrived yesterday. It's very humid here, which I'm not used to at all, because where we're from, there's almost like no humidity usually. So it's hot right now. Roughly the weather is, supposedly the weather is 86 with 56% humidity. I can't imagine it any higher because it's hot. I'm getting hungry again. I'm done exploring. I need some food. Let's go in here. What should I eat? Chicken piccata? Anyone? It looks delicious. Fresh local veggies. I met some Asian people, but they worked for the hotel, and they're from Thailand. So they spoke very little English. That's pretty cool. Hey, I think I spotted Rob Dahm. Look, it's Rob. He's all dressed up already. Looking so fresh. Dang, look at this beautiful bearded man over here. What's up, dude? What's up, dude? Look at these guys all dressed up. I'm still in my shorts. Tito's. This is the other mic. He's all dressed up. Something wrong with me. Such a cool group of people. Like, once again, like yesterday's topic is just humbles me that we get to be around such cool, awesome people. But now I'm headed back to the hotel room so I can change. So dressed in a collared shirt, so ready? Bam! Look at that, I cleaned up a little bit. Got my handy dandy trusty polo for the Nike collab back in the day. Right? I look presentable. Bring it home to mama. Kind of casual. Got the sleeve going. Got the nice sleeve pump. I've got gonna wear these shoes though. That's what I'm gonna do. And then I've got my jeans. For you guys who have my problem, my thighs are a little bit wider here, so I gotta get some stretchy jeans. Also, the reason why I got these was because when you hop into a car through a window, don't ask me why I know, if you don't have stretchy jeans or some jeans that stretch, you can't get in. So having these type of jeans that look pretty normal, that can actually like expand a bit, helps for heavier people like me. I want to show you guys how important Rob Dahm is over here. We're all flanking him. We're a security force right here. He's right in the middle. Look at this. Got you, President. Wow, place is nice. I like it. Okay. Wow. Two-handed service. They're just light. Cake for you, sir. Thank you. You're welcome. Looks great. So it's about 11 p.m. and I've got my laptop. I want to go edit, but I want to edit my room. So I'm gonna see if I can go upstairs towards a bar area where there's like a small lounge. See how that works out. Edit for an hour and then head to bed. Wow, this place is quiet. There's nobody here. Check it out, I'm outside. I'm thinking about chilling over here and editing. This is the inside right here. Current situation. Live music in the background. Lake all the way over there. while I'll sit here and edit. Ah, shit. It's starting to sprinkle. Okay. I'm sitting over here now. Location number 2 outside. It started sprinkling. It's kind of cool. The bar's right over there. Chilled vlog today, but tomorrow at 10 a.m. I'll upload a video on Road America. So we're gonna be there. We're gonna be vlogging there, and it's gonna be a lot of cool stuff because I think we get some like special access that you wouldn't see anywhere else. There's only 3 or 4 other vloggers that will actually get this opportunity, so you guys will get a nice exclusive. But as of right now, let's talk about a 1-minute topic, and the 1-minute topic is gonna be about the appreciation for health. You know why? Huge deal. Let me just start the 1 minute. Ready? Boop, 1 minute. I want to talk about this because I want you guys to be healthy people, because I can be selfish all day and just vlog. But for me, like walking downstairs earlier in this vlog, I appreciate the fact that I can walk. Hence why I always try to work out, why I like to walk outside of this, appreciate nature. Because if you guys didn't know me, I've had ACL surgeries twice. Tore my meniscus, snapped my ACL, and I was in rehab for so long. I think altogether it was almost a year of not walking. So I remember the feeling of just like simply getting out of a car was really hard. Sitting down on your bed, sitting down on the fucking toilet was really bad. So I really appreciate the fact that I get to walk. So now that I'm a bit healthier, I try to work out, be active, and really appreciate the fact that you have it, because there's some people out there that don't have it, that wish they could. Simply walking downstairs like triggers that memory. So what I'm trying to say is, for you guys, appreciate you, because you guys are fairly healthy and can do this. That is 1 minute. You guys get what I'm saying? Ah! You guys get what I'm saying? That's just me being Uncle Mike on you guys. Okay guys, I'm gonna end the vlog tonight. Rest of my plan is just to edit this video, edit the next videos, and just do a lot of catch up. Road America's tomorrow, so I'm gonna have to be awake about 5:30 a.m. I'm gonna meet Rob downstairs to have breakfast with him, and then we're gonna go have an adventure. If you guys like what you see, let me know in the comments. Your feedback is so important to me. Like, let me know, like, you like it, you don't like it. Give me a positive comment, or like, make my day better. Leave me some like practical knowledge if I need to fix something, but please let me know. I love you guys. I will see you guys next time. Good night.